What happens if you put a bar of soap in the microwave? You're about to see something wild. At first, the soap starts to bubble. Then, out of nowhere, it puffs up like a giant marshmallow cloud. It grows bigger and bigger until, boom, it looks like a giant marshmallow volcano exploding inside the microwave. This happens because the water and air inside the soap expand with heat. As it gets hotter, the pressure builds up until the soap can't contain it anymore, and it turns into a giant foamy monster. Monstruosapo. So would you try this with your soap bar? Comment below and hit that like button if you were shocked. And don't forget to follow for more fun science experiments.